Chug, chug goes the shape train, rolling through the sunny plain. Hop on board, the driver calls. We'll learn some shapes big and small.
Look at the wheel, so nice and round, circle spinning on the ground. Window square, just like a box. Shapes are fun, no need for clocks.
Shapes galore on this great ride. Triangles peek from every side. Stars and hearts, they shine so bright. Learning shapes feels just right. See the rectangle doors, wide and strong. We've been learning shapes all along. Octagons wave from signposts too. Shapes in colors, red, green, blue. Watch the driver point with glee. Diamonds sparkle for all to see. Shapes of all kinds fill the air. Learning shapes everywhere.